Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba Zakamseleko. So, Izingane Zakamseleko is back. Izingane Zesthembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos. Last one, ngabuya ningishaye. U-Abongwe bekatry ukusibonisa umuntu wakhe or what was happening because girl was blushing throughout. Like I've never seen somebody blushing this much. Ugirl bekasimayila moyizele enye into engasuka umphathi or namo isisakile TV kunano lebelela TV atepona atetebella or nangatsena ko TV because girl was too, I don't know, like, no, smitten for my liking. I don't know. Was this her way of showing us, no, this is my potential boo, this is my boo, or this is my person? Ulumuntu lo ongifunda ukpheka for yena. Or what is happening? Because I honestly don't understand why Ugo was there, why we had to see her. But my problem was her smiling. Ukumoyizela. Ke ngwanyana na ekare wa itse ke ntse motho kwa le para wa itse ke nga itse gore a ireng. Maybe I can maybe.